Winter baboon. Nasty weather. Niskadat. Windy. Nodin. Snowing. Zukpo. Hailing. Kum nan one. Slippery. Joshkwa. Cold. Ksena. Crusted snow. Nabdin. There is snow. Gunka. Icy. Kumika. Stormy. Ninchuwat. Cool. Takea. Rain. Kamiwan. Cloudy. Nagwankot. Lightning. Wasmowen. Wasmowok. Thundering. Nimkika. Thunder. Nimki. Foggy. Wan. Mild. Abwa. Wind shifts. Gwekan mut. Summer. Nibin. Good day. Mino kishgat. Nice sunny day. Mino wate kishgat. Clear day. Mijakot. Hot day. Gejate. Heat wave. Wisgate. Moonlight. Gishgate. Fall. Dogwage. Rain and snow. Knigbisa. East wind. Wabnan mut. South wind. Zhao na one. West wind. Epingishna wang. North wind. Kiwet na one. What's happening outside? Anish ezhiwebag gojiing. Anish ezhiwebag gojiing. Zukpo. Anish ezhiwebag Toronto. Kmiwan. Anish wa ezhiwebag gojiing wobang. Wikjate. Anish ga ezhiwebag chinagwa gojiing. Ki mino gishgat. Biskan kata biska wagan. Put on your coat. Biskan kata wikwan. Put on your hat. Giskan kata biska wagan. Take off your coat. Giskan kata wikwan. Take off your hat. Ksena na. Is it cold? Gi jo wa na. Is it warm?